Tornadoes playing tough D. He looks back. Has some room on the left side. He cuts back upfield. Picks up the first down. Nice run by the quarterback.
That's to give a right 30 points. They ain't gonna call it. They give you 30. They gonna bust about 30? They gonna be about 17 and a half? You think so? It's gonna be, it might be.
Pitch to the right. Nothing going that way. Tornadoes seem to be ready.
You mad, dude. Why at 3?
You don't ain't still gonna be a whole right side. I'm talking about 17.
17?
Yeah. I'm beat 4 touchdowns. Man, I ain't been good football since you were.
South Florida been San Jose 21.
South Florida could be good too. I won't go that route, but I trust them.
They got South Florida about 14 at halftime. Halftime. I don't see it. See, I can't mind that one.
You can mess with that. I will.
Quarterback keeper in the middle. Oh, the ball's on the ground. Let's see who comes from the bottom of the pile with it. Tornado football. Turnover on downs. Bulldogs had something going there.
I will tell you that. How much you will get?
I'm not running. But we got to get one more team. We got to get a baseball team. To make a 4 pick.
Yeah.
You got to do a 4 pick. You know what I mean? You do a 4 pick, that might kick us out, but we give them all the points up. So we win probably a stack.
But you say you don't trust the.
I'm gonna give them all. I'm giving them the points.
You ready? That's my announcer right there. He announcing in training. What you say, Mr. Gill?
Come on, no!
I asked him. He's talking about her. Nice run around the right side. That's all he had to say.
No, it's too late.
It's too late, man. It's too late. Wait, I'll let you do the first down when I say first down.
The one in fresh water?
Yeah, well, they fresh out. Well, no. Let me say this. They was up there on the thing.
How many they call?
Us?
Yeah.
Our time? I don't know how much they really call. More? No, you can't lock with me.
Thank you, Mark.
What?
You go back.
First down, and they get the first. He gonna get a touchdown. He gonna get a touchdown.
He's on.
Run left side. What? Oh, he reverses field. Going around the right side. One man to beat. He got a block in front. Patience. Touchdown. That's how you run. That's how you continue to block downfield too. Beautiful run on the play. And just as beautiful as a block. Way to block. What number was that guy?
Blocking?
No, blocking. You was blocking. Oh, Lord. That was Javon Norris on the carry. He now has 170 yards rushing on the day.
3 touchdowns.
With 3 touchdowns.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah, what? Listen.
He ran one from the 35 in,
65
and then he ran one from the 40 in,
from the 40.
and then he just ran one from what, the 50 in?
Yeah, I got that in my brother.
and guess what? I missed a few of his little plays in between.
He's at like maybe 10 carries.
Yeah, he probably went over 200. I gave him 7.
You just been nice.
Yeah, well, on them three right there alone. What you say? You still great no ball?
He's a varsity caliber player. He's just too small.
Yeah.
It was to the side, it wasn't to the back.
Did you see him on the practice field playing defense? I mean, that kid will stick his head in anything.
This ain't gonna do it help him more.
Yeah.
Huh? I did say touchdown training. You're right, you should have said that. I'm gonna let you say the next one. Because you know they're gonna score again, right?
Dude, where are your shoes, man? No, you got shoes in my bag. Go down there and get your water. Hey, matter of fact, bring me water and that you know that? No, it's in my cooler bag.
Yeah. Well, you should have saw a 65 yard. You don't teach that. Small.
A little league World Series game. Baseball.
Who played?
Stanford tonight, South Florida tonight, UMass is Hawaii.
FAMU. FAMU.
I don't care for the Bucks. I'm a Cowboy.
There we go.
There's nothing about a buck. What's a buck? What is a buck?
$1.
What is a damn buck? I'm a cowboy. I shoot guns. You got an arm on it.
Oh!
I got some runs on the field.
Nice throw and catch. However, we got dirty laundry on the field. White Hat was about to make the call, but he's going to confer with his official first.
Yeah, but you saying that line about Stanford and Rice, it's hard to take that line because they got Stanford so high right now at what, 4? But how do you know they're going to play like that? Because they had Florida State at what, 3 last year?
We 3 this year.
And 3 this year.
And they bombed it.
We 3 this year.
Because they finished what, 15th last year? Something like that? I mean, I'm a Gators fan, and yeah, we've been whooped the last 4 years, but
Y'all just got to decide on who will be the quarterback.
Just take away from
I think
that.
it's how you're going to be the quarterback.
I'm driving all the way out there.
Yeah.
I'm going to the game because I'm a huge Texas fan, huge Cowboys fan. So I've been wanting to go to the stadium. So I figured perfect, 2 birds in 1 stone. Boom, hit the Gator Michigan game, and I'll be in the stadium. So, but yeah, they're all over. They're trying to say that Luke Del Rio is going to start.
I don't know why. Wasn't they giving a better option?
I think they're just doing that to make people troll.
I like Michigan, to be honest with you.
Flags on the play.
Not because I hate Florida, it's just I think Michigan more better coach. You know, and they got a proven quarterback too. Look, I don't know who they want. That's all right. They can win every game all with the last one. Michigan? Yeah. What's that?
Oh, you're not an Ohio State Buckeye, are you?
Since I'm a little kid,
I hate Ohio State even more now that they got Urban Meyer.
You know what though?
everybody hates them.
It really don't matter if Florida State loses or Alabama loses, they will still be in the playoffs at the end of the year. Both of them 2 teams.
My biggest thing is he's a liar. I mean, he just could have been real about it and said, hey, I want to take the job. I'm taking the job. Not, oh, my heart, oh, my kids. And then you're perfectly fine the next year.
My thing is though, he said Ohio State is a better program than Florida. My thing was, you don't want a national championship at Florida. 2.
Almost back to back.
You know what? You showed them right.
It was almost back to back to back.
Yes, they went 3 years in a row.
We went.
With Tebow.
With Tebow. That's it. Yeah. So my thing is, well, he went to Ohio State. Have they won with Ohio State?
Once.
Yeah, they won once.
Yeah, he's a real good coach. And I'm gonna tell you this too. Believe this or not. Listen to this too. When he was at Utah, he went undefeated.
Yeah, I remember that.
That's right. And they beat Alabama in the bowl game.
Yeah, he's a really good coach.
Yeah, he's a
I'll
good
give him
coach.
that.
So he went undefeated. He got the number one overall pick. Nice arm. Oh, through the hands of the receiver.
My bad, though. If Steve Spurrier didn't never retire from Florida,
Oh my goodness.
who's to say they don't win 5 or more? So now, what was his reason doing that? I don't know.
I have to disagree because the game is starting to pass further up.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
His offense.
No, because he still did really well as a Gamecock.
Look,
Yeah.
all he needed was a
Getting fired.
defensive coordinator.
Man, listen. His offense can work in college.
Yeah.
He got the athletes to run.
And he was gonna have that. He got them on the floor. Yeah, it's running room. He got a lot of room. And he's cut down.
By who? Norris.
That was number 3 with possibly touchdown saving tackle. Javon Norris shows us what he can do on the defensive side of the ball.
He gotta be wrong.
I'll be at the door. You're right down there.
Look at the other one, got Ohio State trouble.
Yeah, trust me.
He got his ass in
Well,
trouble.
but see, Trump got him knocked out of there. He wasn't never left either.
But you want to know
He
something?
defended his guy.
Florida was best to me.
That's probably what it was.
You want to say, oh, my health and all this?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
Am I lying?
Not Meyer.
Yeah, he was in trouble.
Yes, he was.
They said that he was dating.
I heard he was dating. Yeah, I heard that. I heard he was dating one of the
Why
coaches.
not?
They all do. You got a bunch of money. You've been married for 30 years.
Hit this girl come right here.
I mean, and she's
A brick house.
Yeah.
Man. You can't help but put yourself
But he
in
was
the
in trouble for something he did in,
Gene Tip.